So 2015 Hyster S120 FT PRS. It's got a 72-inch paper clamp on it, which is great for 60-inch rolls. 3-stage mast. We'll go ahead and talk about it for a second. We'll do a little demo. So again, it has a Cascade 72-inch clamp on here. I believe it's the same year as the machine. It's a 2015. 3-stage mast. It's a little under 8 foot high total, the mast is. We'll get the exact measurement online for the listing. It's got just over 10,000 hours on it, so it's got a lot of life left on it. You can see it's with 30,000 hours. It's got the monotroll forward backward pedal, 4 stations, hydraulics, because you need it for the clamp, rotation, open, close, up, down, tilt. We are getting leakage from the tilt cylinder and the steering cylinder, so we are either going to replace or rebuild in the next week both tilt cylinders and the steering cylinders. It's common after a certain amount of hours to get the cylinders rebuilt to see which works out better, replacement or rebuild, but essentially you'll end up with new cylinders regardless, and that will be included. So we are going to demo it, but we are not going to be tilting it or steering it. Thing starts right up and drives great. Drive. It's got a seatbelt sensor. Function, get it to open. In this position, you hold down the green button here to make sure you don't drop the roll by accident by pumping the lever. Tilt does work, we're just getting a leak. That's why we're rebuilding the cylinders. We're not in-house, we're setting it up professional. It's steering, everything works, we're just don't want to leak any fluid, so we're not steering tilt. It's 10,711 hours on it. Plenty of life left for a clamp truck here. 12,000 pound capacity, 72-inch clamp. That's about it.